You're watching EDS TV. It's kind of convenient that the emergency triangle set itself up. I love karma when I see it. You should have pulled over and asked him if his finger was okay. Tesla's emergency braking system causes an accident on the highway after the Hyundai driver cut off and brake checked the camera. It seems that the driver was focused on cross traffic and misjudged the camera's travel rate or didn't see the camera at all. Definitely poor judgment. I question why anyone would want to run after hitting a Tesla, and then I realized they're either too stupid or drunk to have any logic at all. This is a great example to stay vigilant behind the wheel. The camera was able to make a last-second break, definitely saving that child's life. I genuinely hate people like that. If you don't have confidence or don't have a backup camera, just don't do it. I bet there are a plethora of other parking spots available.
Not how stop signs work, but especially not when you have a yield. And that's not how stop signs work.
The Ford F-150 comes with an annual right-hand stop sign pass, right? As someone who has lived in Houston for years, I can confirm this. All street signs are nothing more than a mere suggestion. Rolling with a Garmin HD dashcam, yet running on bald tires. Priorities gone right. The camera was definitely going too fast approaching the roundabout. The driver claimed that he wasn't looking in that direction, and I'd argue that's pretty obvious, isn't it? This one's for you, Sully. Shout out to ya. I'm sure you'll be an amazing traffic planner and enforcer in the future. The PT Cruiser was appearing out of thin air like a pigeon in a magic trick. On the bright side, it's one less PT Cruiser on the road since it was probably totaled after this crash. The camera had zero thought this guy would come out, but he's glad that he was checking to be sure and he was still caught the camera off guard. This absolute Karen slams her car door into the camera's car, then checks out the damages, and then decides to flee. The number one reason why I can't wait for the Cybertruck. No more door dings.
That sounds correct. It'll be fun to watch the Democrats struggle with intersectional populations.
A Ford Ranger doesn't want to wait for a red light any longer and decides to run the red regardless. The camera caught this Jeep clipping the Honda and then fleeing the scene. Can anyone decipher the Honda and Jeep plates? If so, please comment them below. This is a pretty good reason to own a dashcam. Had this ended up worse, then the dashcam would have paid for itself at least tenfold. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com. Additionally, if you use promo code DDSTV on usadashcams.com, you get 10% off and free shipping.